Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Call of Duty Vanguard on your PlayStation 5. First, insert the game disc into your console. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is connected to the internet to download any essential updates. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to start the installation. This process typically takes about 30 to 60 minutes, depending on your internet speed and the size of the updates. Be patient, as a complete installation ensures the best gaming experience. Once the initial installation is complete, the game will automatically check for and download any necessary updates. These updates are vital for optimal performance, often including important bug fixes and new features. Depending on the update size, which can be several gigabytes, this might take some time. Ensure your internet connection is stable and avoid interrupting the download to prevent any data corruption. A smooth update process leads to a better gameplay experience. Next, you will likely be prompted to link your existing Activision account or create a new one. This step is crucial for online play and progress tracking. After that, dive into the game's settings menu. Take some time to adjust your graphics, audio, and control preferences. Customizing your controller sensitivity, for example, can significantly improve your aiming. Explore the various accessibility options to tailor the experience perfectly to your needs. Finally, launch Call of Duty Vanguard from your PlayStation 5 home screen. We recommend starting with the brief tutorial missions to get comfortable with the game's mechanics and controls. Once you feel ready, you can jump straight into the thrilling campaign mode or join your friends in exciting multiplayer matches. Remember to communicate with your team and adapt your strategies. Have fun exploring the immersive and action-packed world of Call of Duty Vanguard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.